Only the top 1% can get all these correct, starting with this one. Trick track baraboom. Il mio mantello fa rum rum. Okay, but what about this one? Ballerina cappuccina? No, no, no. Espressona signora. Bet you can't guess this one. La vacca Saturno Saturnita. Like the video and comment your score after the final question. Which brain rot animal is this? Boberito Bondito? El Bobrito Gangsterito. Do you know who this is? To. Sahur Anomali. Bet you can't guess this one. Top. Follow and share this to someone who looks like ballerina cappuccina. All right, here comes the last one. Drop your answer in the comments.